When we first open the app, we land right on the home screen. At the top, you'll see the two main buttons. The first is Add New Client, and right next to that is the How To button, which takes you into training materials. Just below those, you'll see a list of your most recent clients. Some of these might just have project names. Others may show the lead source that brought the job in. You can tap on any one of these and it will open directly into that job. If you want to start something new, simply press Add New Client and begin a new project. You'll also see the top left menu button. We call this the hamburger button. Now, along the bottom of the screen, you'll notice the search feature. If we tap into search, this is where you can quickly find any job you've worked on. At the top, you can search through all the clients you've personally created. And the nice part is, you can search by almost any piece of information. That could be the client's name, their email address, a project name, a quote number, a lead source, or even part of a location name. So, for example, if I type in Brooks, we'll see the two jobs where Daniel Brooks was listed as the lead source. If I search Mitchell, we'll see the projects tied to that customer. Even partial information works. For example, typing 78 brings up a quote number, and typing part of a location name will surface the matching job. Now, if you're working within a company and someone else on your team created the job, you can switch from personal search to company search. This allows you to find and open projects created by other team members. All the same search fields apply, and any matching jobs will populate right here so you can open and review them. If we go back to the home screen, we can tap the hamburger button. This opens the main menu panel. At the top, you'll see your name and your company code. The first option here gives you quick access to your measurement reports, PDFs, CSV files, and other exports. You'll also see an information icon that connects you to the portal. If you tap the button itself, it opens a camera feature that helps you quickly log into the portal from your phone. Just below that is the Unit of Measure toggle. This is where you choose whether measurements display in eighths or sixteenths of an inch when using imperial units. If you're using metric, you'll see everything displayed in centimeters instead. Next is the subscription section. If you're subscribed to FSS Premium, you'll see a gold star here. This area will be updated soon as we introduce a new usage-based subscription model. Below that is the Offline Mode button. This allows you to continue capturing measurements even when you don't have cellular connectivity. If you'd like to see how that works, we have a detailed tutorial on our YouTube channel. You'll also find a suggestion form right inside the app, so you can easily send feedback to our team. If you're connecting to Solitech Focus, we have provided a blog on our website with a full walkthrough explaining how to pull the API key and set up that integration. Another helpful feature is the in-app tutorial system. When you first log in, it walks you through each screen in the app and helps you set up your laser and tape measure. If you'd like to keep that guidance available while you're learning, you can toggle it on. When it's active, you'll see a small floating green icon on each screen. You can tap it any time to replay the tutorial for that section of the app. Once you're comfortable, you can simply toggle it off to remove it from your workspace. If you ever need to report a bug or an issue to our support team, we may ask for the app version number, which is displayed right here in the menu. Just share that number to us when submitting feedback. Finally, if we move over to the Profile section, you'll see your company name, email address, phone number, and your company code. Right next to the company code is a Copy button. If you need to invite another team member to join your organization, simply press Copy and paste that code into a text message or email. That makes it quick and easy for them to join your company account.